Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Affinity channel. It's been a while. I know, I'm sorry. A lot has happened, and with the way the world went and waiting on parts, it's just been rough. So, in this video, I'm gonna give you a updated walk around on the BRZ. A few stuff's been done. One major thing's been done for sure, and I'll give you a little, update and how things have been going and the plans for the future. I do want to shout out everyone who has viewed the videos so far. It's kind of crazy. Some of the videos have thousands of views, and I haven't even been active, so I apologize. If you're new here, I run the Affinity channel. I'll put my Instagram down in the screen now. If you want to follow the car build on Instagram, I'm more active on there, at least recently. I do want to start picking up the videos again, but let's get into this. First off though, I do want to show off my little office space here, just in case anyone happens to be interested in the audience. Alright, so this is my little setup here. It's not the biggest room, but I've worked hard on making this look at least pretty good. Disregard all the wiring management. I do have some monitor mounts I'm going to be putting up here, and then after that happens, I'm going to finish up and clean up the wiring. But, basic gamer chair. I do record music, so I use this. I have the Focusrite interface there with an AT2035, budget stuff. My keyboard here, this is a GMMK TKL keyboard, a Razer Death Adder. Shout out Neon Elements for this desk mat and also this desk mat. I will put a link to his shop in the description below. Basic monitors I have here, the switches here, some glasses because I can't see, switch controller. I do have a drawing pad and my laptop here for school. I have some mixing headphones there, and that's pretty much it for the desk. It is an uplift desk, so I can stand as I wish, whenever I please. I have the walls are a little bare here. Again, this room is in progress, but I do have a sweet ReZero wall tapestry here with Amelia and Rem. I have a Yami Hello Kitty collab and a Totoro little stuffed animal here. And then I have all my figures, Sailor Moon, Miku, Asuna, Demon Slayer stuff, some Rinse a Girlfriend, a bunch of nice stuff. And then up on this wall, I have a Murakami flower because Murakami is dope, a little Yami, and then a little 86, and a little Subaru K-Truck. One last thing up on this wall, there's a TV here with like the PS3, which is also ancient at PS4. I don't really play the consoles too much anymore, but up on the wall I have a 02 disc plate and a Nezuko disc plate. These are pretty dope. If you don't know about disc plate, they're made of metal and they stick on by magnets. One thing I forgot to show you is these dope Philips Hue lights I have on the outside of my desk. They bounce off the wall, make it look pretty cool. It's a really nice vibe when it's like night and I'm in here editing, working on music, whatever I gotta do. You can see I just put the strip around the edge of the desk and it makes the room light up pink at night, and it is really, really cool. Honestly, one of my favorite things I have done to the setup. Alright everyone, so I'm gonna start off the update on the car with the interior. I've done a few things I really like, just making the interior feel cozy and making it feel comfortable, because it's where I spend a lot of my time. Most of my time when I'm with the car is in the interior. So let's go over a few things that I have done to the interior of the car. Alright, so I just pulled the car out of the garage, and shout out Toge Dreamers. I have the Drive Safe sticker on the dash and the Toge Dreamers banner up front as well. And the mirror here is a Toge Dreamer infinity mirror. It says drive sober, cherish your life as much as your friends do, and it looks dope at night. Also, Severe Sky air freshener, another Severe Sky air freshener up in there, and have to also rock the Air Spencer. This thing is a beast. If you don't have one, you need one, because that smell lasts forever, and it's black squash, so what's there not to like about it? Stock steering wheel, likewise shift knob, the Cherry Bomb. I love this shift knob, it makes shifting so much easier. Stock head unit as well. A lot of stuff in here is still pretty stock, but I just have a few minor things that I have done. Dash cam up there. Always need a dash cam. If you don't have a dash cam, you're doing something wrong. It has saved my ass so many times. I got tired of the boring ass warning label on the visors, so shout out Toge Dreamers again. I got 2 warning stickers because the size on the BRZ one is weird, so I just layer them there. They look cool. This car's slow, so now you know. Have it on both sides as well. I also have a Surikawa from JDM Surikawa. I have a lot of these with this one. It's so cute. It's a little kitty cat and it's kawaii and I love it. It's my favorite. And that matches the JDM Surikawa seatbelt covers. You know they're legit when they say JDM on it because JDM Surikawa is the GOAT. And then I have these neck pillows, the cherry blossom neck pillows from Modified Nonstop. Stock seats still because I can't bring myself to get rid of this dope ass BRZ stitching in the seat. And they're comfy. Also, shout out Random Archives. I have floor mats from Random Archives. These are dope, except everyone thinks they're hentai. They're not hentai, they're just dope, okay? Listen. Nothing sexual going on here. It's just some floor mats. But I love them, they're sick. Well worth the price. I also do have a Desai small passenger down there. Right there. So when I start the car, my car speaks to me in Japanese and it's dope, it's cool. The bass system is still installed. The bass knob is here. I got this little insert. It's just like a fake carbon fiber gel insert, but I got tired of the bare spot there, so I wanted that. These, I need to put black. I plasti dipped this black. I know plasti dip sucks, but it's holding up well because on here, my friend and I wrapped these. They came out shit, but they look fine from afar. Same with the air vent covers. Did that on both sides. I also messed this up. I put a sticker there. It came off. It left a white mark, so I'm gonna probably pick up a one-piece interior little trim there to get rid of this piano black because I don't like piano black as much. These are still silver because they're a bitch to remove and replace. These are still silver because they're a bitch to remove, and the carbon fiber ones cost a hell of a lot of money for what they are. All right, that's really it for the interior of this car. Like I said, it's just some minor things that I like to do to the car and that make me feel a little more comfortable while I'm driving the car. So let's go ahead and move to the exterior of the car. All right, looking at the exterior, we'll start off with the front. Don't look at the wheels yet. Those are a surprise because you haven't seen those yet. If you know, you know. First off, on the emblem, got a little sticker. It's peeling off because I had a car cover, but it's fine. Replica STI lip from Icon Motorsports. Fits decent. I definitely would recommend if you want to put this on, paint it first, or else it gets ugly and gray and faded because it's just unfinished, as you can see here. So that's something I want to do in the future. On the windshield, shout out Project 86, local car group, Toge Dreamers as well, with the rainbow glitter banner. I don't think he sells these anymore, and this is dope. Excuse the noise from the neighbors. JDM Surikawa license plate because that looks cool as well. We do have an Aeroflow Dynamics side splitters. These are dope and aggressive, and the simple as well. I want like a clean, simple build to just go around, and this does the job. Plus they're aluminum, so they're not going anywhere. I also have some HIC window visors here. They look kind of cool. Make the silhouette a little better, a little cooler. I don't know. Do they help with the rain? Not too much, but oh well. HIC rear visor as well. This is cool. I like this. It makes a little nice little lip to it. Nothing too crazy though. And I have a Veris Engineering carbon fiber duck build. This was one of the first ever made, and this is the first one, and I don't know if it's still the only one that covers the 2017 plus spoiler holes. This is a 2018 BRZ. Stock taillights as well. Another one of the stickers. Sakura Jime, Sakura Dreams, license plate frame. This is kawaii as fuck, and it looks cool. I'll go ahead and open the trunk here. Bass system, still rocking the 20-year-old and 20-year-old cells, but it hits nice when I want it to. And this is all gonna change soon. You'll have to stay tuned to see what's gonna change about it because it's something big, something I've been wanting to do for a long time. Also on the rear, we have the Valenti 4th brake light. Love this. It has the V mod on it. NVIDIA N1 exhaust. Everyone's going to complain about that, I know, but I like the sound. It sounds good, especially when paired with the NVIDIA resonated catless front pipe. The important part is that it's a resonated front pipe, even though it's catless. Also got a Surikawa hanging down here. And here's a tip for all of you BRZ 86 owners of the first gen. There's no real way to mount this, but I janked up a little system and I used a bunch of zip ties and it hangs there. You can see it when you're driving behind me. You can see it from the outside and it works. It's a little jank, but it works. I also have an Nezuko sticker here, and on the other side I have a 02 sticker. Stickers are always fun. something to make, you know, something people can have in common with you. And now for the big reveal of the wheels. I did finally get my wheels in a little bit ago, and this is what I got. Work VS XXs and 18 by 9.5 plus 35 all around. Awesome 235, 40, 18s. Gonna be switching these up to some 225, 40s for a little bit more stretch for reasons, but look at the way these wheels sit on the car. I absolutely love them. By far my favorite thing I've done to this car so far. There is some poke in the front, a little bit. Camber bolts will fix that. I just haven't installed them yet, and I will probably put them on when I switch up the suspension. I am on TRD lowering springs, which are similar to the Eibach lowering springs. Gave it about an inch drop. So the fronts are at 0 camber. The rears are at -2 natural camber from my last alignment. But they look dope. They look sick. And if you look from back here, you can see a little bit of a tilty boy, just a little bit. Yeah, by far one of my favorite things. They're in silver with the polished lip. Absolutely dope. 100% recommend getting some wheels for your car, along with a little bit of lowering. You got about a 2-finger gap there. Pretty nice for a nice ride height. Helix mode side markers. Everyone goes through these. I'm on my like 400th set of those because they always fall off. Performance wise, in the engine, everything is stock. I'm not really focused on that because it's daily driver right now. Although boost would be fun in the future. Alright, that pretty much sums it for the walk around update of the car. Modification wise, the model, I got something big coming. I'm saving up a lot of money right now. Just keep that in mind. If you want to guess what I'm gonna do, comment down below. I'll let you know. Well, you'll see. Just stay tuned. You'll see. Especially if you follow the Instagram. As for why I haven't been posting anything in a while, after the last video, I wanted to save some hype for the wheels, but they took a total of 8 months to get built and come in. In between that and college, which if you don't know, I'm in college. I'm about to start my bachelor's program. So that's taking up a lot of my time as well. And then COVID happened, so I didn't really go out and do much with a lot of things because I just wanted to stay away from people, to be honest, especially here in Florida. So that's why I haven't been doing as much. If you guys want to, I can film some stuff with meets and just hanging out with friends again, because those videos are always fun to make. It's easier a lot now with this iPhone 13 Pro because this camera is crispy. It's amazing. I love this camera. It's easier than carrying the big bulky Canon around, which I mean I can still do to take pictures and stuff, but this is just a lot easier to handle and just have in my pocket and pull out and shoot whenever I want to shoot. So anyway, and then I also have had for some reason, I know I made a video about one time when it happened, getting nails in my tires. I have so many nails in my tires, and I don't know why, because there's never any like construction areas that I go into. But I just had to replace the driver's side rear because there was a nail in the sidewall, which sucked ass. But anyway, we're living, we're vibing, we're enjoying cars, even though sometimes they piss us off. But isn't that the fun of it? Just, you know, having fun with the car. It pisses you off, but then when it's nice and it works for those 3 days, it's totally worth it. But anyway, we're not finished with this video yet. We're gonna do some cinematics right here, and then we're gonna go over to my friend's house, and you haven't met him yet, but he just got a MazdaSpeed 3 2012, and it is so fun to drive. It's a work in progress. Keep in mind, he bought it off someone, so not all the modifications are to his spec yet, and he will be doing some stuff to that soon. So if you want to see some MazdaSpeed 3 content as well, comment down below, hit like, enjoy the cinematic, and I'll see you with the MazdaSpeed 3. Alright, so we made it, and now I'm going to give a little walk around of the MazdaSpeed 3 that was just picked up, so I hope you enjoy. So this is what we got. It's a white MazdaSpeed 3 with some custom black paint on it. It's on some odd Hans, and it's pretty fun. It's fun to drive. It's dirty right now because it's parked outside, but there's a few things that are in the works for this. It has a Cobb downpipe and eBay exhaust because why not? It used to have a front lip, but it's so low, I don't know if you can see, but it added like another inch of less clearance, and We scraped on everything, but like there's not, look at the fitment. Like I can't even fit 2 fingers in there. And this rubs like shit. So that's something we gotta fix. Cause it is on BC coilover, so we'll just raise it. But overall it's pretty clean. It's fun to drive. It makes all the cool noises you want. And of course it has to have the Surikawa hanging down. So more on this, if you want to see on the channel, we can film what we're doing in this in the future. Let us know in the comments below. Alright guys, I'm doing a little bit of editing before work today, and I wanted to wrap up the video for you. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you want to see anything specific, comment down below. Be sure to like and subscribe as well for more videos coming on the way. And remember, do not be afraid to be unique. You're never alone in the world. Peace out, and I'll catch you guys later.